Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is similar shapes. Same shape, different size. By the end of this, you'll know the scale factor rule for lengths, areas and volumes, and you'll never confuse linear with square or cubic ratios again. Definition. Two shapes are similar if one is a scaled version of the other. Same angles, sides in the same ratio. If you scale all the lengths of a triangle by a factor of 2, you get a similar triangle. The shape stays the same. The size doesn't. Key insight: the scale factor k is for lengths. Areas scale by k squared. Volumes scale by k cubed. So if the lengths double, the areas quadruple, and the volumes go up by a factor of 8. Identify k first, the linear ratio, then square it for areas and cube it for volumes. Common mistake: forgetting to square the scale factor for area or cube it for volume. If the question asks for area or volume in similar shapes, the linear scale factor alone is wrong. Square or cube as needed. Quick example: two similar cones with radii in the ratio 2:3. So the linear scale factor, 2/3. The volume scale factor, 2 cubed over 3 cubed, equals 8/27. So if the small cone has a volume of 16, the large cone has a volume of 16 times 27/8, which equals 54. Right. If any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip fagged.